Welcome to the online social studies class. Students, we were doing the chapter States in Northern Mountains. In this video, we will continue the chapter and will cover the portion about northeastern states. The 7 states of northeastern hilly region of India are called Seven Sisters because of the interdependence of the states and its geographical features. People living in each of these states have their own language, culture, and traditional dress. The first state we are going to learn about Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh lies in the northeast of India. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Though it is the largest state in northeastern, it has a small population. The state is covered with thick forests, streams, and waterfalls. To protect themselves from rain and snakes, people live in the houses on stilts. Stilts means long pieces of wood that support small buildings above the ground or above water. As you can see in the image as well, how the stilts are supporting the house. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Rice, wheat, mustard, and maize are cultivated here. Jhum cultivation, that we call shifting cultivation as well, is practiced here. Jhum cultivation is an agriculture system where a patch of forest is cleared, cultivated upon for a couple of years, and then left fallow for the soil to recover its nutrients and the trees to grow back. Cultivated means to prepare soil for raising crops, and fallow, a plowed land but left for a period of time. Now the second state that we are going to learn about is Meghalaya. And as the name suggests, Meghalaya, that in Hindi we call clouds Megh. The meaning of the word Meghalaya is a bird of clouds. A bird means house. Shillong, the capital of Meghalaya, is a beautiful hill station. It is also known as the Scotland of the East. Over 30% of the land is covered with forest. Farming is the main occupation. Rice, potato, maize, pineapple, oranges, and bananas are grown here. The main tribes living here are Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia. Now we'll learn about Nagaland. Nagaland is largely a mountainous state covered with thick forest. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. The state is home to a rich variety of flora and fauna. Flora represents plant life in a particular region, and fauna represent all animal life. It has been suggested as falcon capital of the world. About 1 million falcons are found in Nagaland. In Hindi, we call falcon as baas. Farming and fishing are the main occupations. People practice jhum farming. Cash crops like sugarcane and potato are also grown in some parts. Plantation crops such as premium coffee, cardamom, and tea are grown in hilly areas in small quantities. The state does not produce enough food and depends on trade of food from other states of India. Weaving is the traditional art handed down through generations in Nagaland, like from one generation to another. Each tribe has its own unique designs and colors. The designs of the shawl denotes the tribe to which the person belongs to. Different tribe, They are represented by different colors and design of the shawl. Nagas wear colorful clothes and jewelry made of beads, shells, bones, horns, and ivory. Other handicrafts include shoulder bags, decorative spears, table mats, wood carvings, and bamboo works. Folk songs and dance are part of the traditional Naga culture. People living in Nagaland are called Naga. War dance is a distinctive Naga dance. Nagaland is known as the land of festivals. There's a large diversity of tribes, each with their own culture and heritage. As we have already learned, the design of the shawl denotes a tribe, and each tribe has its own unique design and colors as well. In addition, the state celebrates all Christian festivals. Now we'll learn about Manipur. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. Farming and weaving are the main occupations here. People grow rice, maize, cotton, and mustard. Fruits like oranges, pineapples are also grown here. The Manipuri dance of Manipur is a famous dance of India. It comes under classical dance form. Mizoram. The word Mizoram means the land of the hill people. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Farming is the main occupation of the people here. Rice, maize, cotton, mustard, and fruits like oranges, pineapple, and banana are grown here. Bamboo dance is the famous folk dance of Mizoram. Now we learn about Tripura. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. Farming is the main occupation of the people. Cane and bamboo handicrafts and furniture of Tripura are very famous. And you can see the bamboo handicrafts in the image. Garya dance is the folk dance of Tripura. Now students, in the chapter, in the book, only 6 states are mentioned. Even though in book it's not given, but Assam also comes under the states in northern mountains, and it's one of the states of Seven Sisters. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Students, make sure to revise the chapter, as I'll be uploading a quiz based on the chapter, and when you know the chapter properly, then only you will be able to solve the quiz, or you can say puzzle. Revise the chapter. Thank you.